There we go. We have got our first ripe Jamaican tomato. Welcome to Cook on Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook on Vibe, and we are fully active in the garden, people. Another garden update. Let's go. So if you remember that I built the coffee corner. So actually we've got a few little bits to put to it now. As you can see here, we've got a few little bits. There's a Jamaican old school chocolate that I found in the cupboard, so we can just put that outside. That's out of date. I've got a couple little things that I think I got from one hotel one time. I bought this little teapot and this little cup and this table, right, from a second-hand shop for £15. Not bad. So let's put it in place. As you can see, there we go. Remember I had that little bit down there and it was like a bit of tarpaulin that to cover up. I found one slab. I just found it out the back in the alleyway. But yeah, here's the little coffee corner, people. Got a little table and stuff over there. That is it. It's still got to be decorated more. Still got to be decorated more. There we go. But yeah, it's a good start. It's just a few decorations. I want to order a little empty Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee sack as well. Yeah. But the juice bar gone. Oh, them bananas. I need to replace the bananas. Now I can't put the bananas up. I bought these bunch of bananas to replace them, but oh, you see that, you remember the tomato that fell off the plant the other day and it was green? I don't know if you watched the episode, but basically a tomato fell off premature and I've just kept it on this bunch of bananas, and as you can see, it's nearly red, which leads us to our next update. Now I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for this moment. Back in November, I brought some seeds in Jamaica. I brought some tomato seeds, was one of the seeds that I brought. I planted them from seed. And look now, finally, we have got our first Jamaican red tomato. We've also got another one underneath there. As you can see, we've got another one that's going red there. Good vibes, people. Look at that. As you can see, it's like a kind of different shape to the normal tomatoes. Any Jamaican will look at that and say, yeah, man, that's true, but that is a Jamaican tomato. It's just the way it looks. It's a little bit different. But we've got tomatoes growing. There's more growing there. We need to get these ones off and let the energy go to the rest of the plant, you know what I mean? Because it was so heavy, which is pulling the plant down. But yeah, I'm so happy, man. So happy. Our first tomatoes of the year. I'm gonna pick it for the first time. There we go. We have got our first ripe Jamaican tomato. That one there is nearly red as well. But we got our first tomato. As you can see, it kind of looks like different, like plumish kind of thing. And they look like that. That is how the Jamaican tomatoes look. Anybody from Jamaica in there, or you've been to Jamaica and you've seen the tomatoes out there, you can confirm that, you know, it looks exactly like it's supposed to, even though it's grown in the UK. Over here, I love this part of the garden. I love the whole garden at the moment. It's just so beautiful. Look how tropical this looks. Grabber plants, just all over, around the back there. New ones growing there, big ones there. We're getting some seeds up there. Banana trees are going crazy. As you can see, the new one's nearly as big as that one. We've got another grabber tree behind it. More banana tree down there. Yeah, man. Love this part of the garden. As you can see, let me show you it like that so you can actually see it. Yeah, man, it's so beautiful. Look at that grabber plant there. All the little grabber plants that the random little ones I just planted, like this one over here. And this one here is just, everything's just alive. Over here, we've got our Scotch bonnets. Look at them. Yes, we've actually got Scotch bonnets growing. Waiting for them to turn different colour. Everything's doing well, man. Look at this other Scotch bonnet plants. They've really lifted up. Kneesberry. You know what I'm saying? This is pretty much finished. We've got scallion there. This one is flowering. Look, we've got our first ones, little growing now. Trinidad perfumes. Yeah, man. Mint. Everything there, people. Fully active, my father. I hear that. In here, it's going mad. Look at the size of this sorrel again. I got this from seed. Planted this from seed. Really, really hope I get some flowers. Just waiting for that to flower now. All these Scotch bonnets in here are all really starting to, see the big leaves on that one there. They're really starting to come alive now. Okra. Look at that. Yeah, man. Other little ones starting to grow around there, but yeah, it is a proper tropical garden. So yeah, you've got the whole lot there. You've got all this going on here. You've got that going on there. You've got the tomatoes down here. You know what I'm saying? Big up the rosemary bush every time. We got the cherry tree. We got the cucumber tree. Over here's my new, I love this. I love this, look at that. Our tea and coffee corner. Brand new to the garden. Love it, man. Got our new little bits as well. It looks really cool. Yeah, man. Coffee plants. They're beautiful plants, man. Look at them. Big up the juice bar. Yeah. Good vibes. This looks very green, green, green. What's going on with that? But yeah, this is a fig tree. I don't know if I ever told you before, but this is a fig tree. That's got something growing out of it. Oh, that's that honeysuckle. I need to chop that off. But yeah, that's what it looks like from this direction. Beautiful little addition, that, innit? Down here, we've got a couple new flower plants down there. This is funny, this plant, right? Because I come out the other day and it was flopped down there. And then I come out the next day and it's flopped the other way. And I kind of stood it up on this, and now it's just standing up by itself. But yeah, new one's growing. Jamaican tuna, that is. That's what they call it. Callaloo. I've kept this callaloo here for like so long. Just because I wanted to keep it there in the garden. But after this episode, I am going to chop one of the plants and make some food. So good vibes. Yeah, man. Let's go down here and see what's going on down here. This little banana tree, aguan. Everything aguan. Zimmy. Big up the bay leaf tree, same way. Let me give you a little walkthrough. Yeah. Fully active. It's just tropicalness every little part of the garden. Yeah. And then we give you a walk back that. That is it. Yeah. That actually looks cool, doesn't it? From that. Crazy. There you go. A good vibes. Updated. People, I want to tell you we got brand new music. Now, I don't know if I'm dropping this before it drops, or it's already out, or it's out the next day, or something like that. But it's called Walk and Wine.
Walk and wine, body so big it off you park one side. Tell me how much I see you park and ride. From you look good, I miss a walk and wine. Walk and wine, I miss a walk and wine.
Yeah, fully active. It's featuring an artist from Italy, Goo, big rapper.
Andiamo nel club, tutti sanno chi siamo. Vuole fare shopping, l'ho invitata a Milano. Il suo booty è fat, non ci sta nella mano. Le faccio sentire tutto lo stile italiano. Una come te non l'ho vista mai.
You get me? Big up Don Doro from Amsterdam. The link will be below in the description. Get involved, man. Stream it, download it, share it with your friends, play it at your parties. Walk and Wine. We're fully active, my father. You hear that? Listen, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, people. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share every time. I love you lot, man. We are on our way to 100K. So if you haven't subscribed, please and thanks. I'll see you next time. Fully active.